Today I'm going to show you how to make quarter square triangles with two fabrics, also known as hourglass. You're going to need one square from two different fabrics. Please see my cutting chart on poppypatchwork.co.uk to find out what size you need to cut these. Draw a diagonal line on the wrong side of one of the squares. Place the light and dark fabrics right sides together and pin. Sew a 1/4 inch seam on both sides of the line. Then cut along the line. Press seams to the darker fabric. Draw a diagonal line on the wrong side of one of those half square triangles across the seam. Match right sides together as shown and butt the seams together for a good finish. Sew a 1/4 inch seam on both sides of the line. And now cut along the drawn line. And press your hourglass units. I'm going to trim using Quilt in a Day triangle square up ruler, and the link to this item is in the description below. If you do not have this ruler, click on the link up in the top of the screen to take you to my video how to trim quarter square triangles with a standard quilting ruler. Now refold your QST in half again along the stitch line and trim your unit to the unfinished size you want, 4.5 inches for a 4-inch unit. With this tool, line up that measurement along the seam and the centre line along the upright seam. Rotary cut up and down both sides of the triangle. Press and cut the dog ears off. Congratulations, you have made quarter square triangles, the hourglass unit, with two fabrics. You can use these to make the Ohio star block. Click the link in the top corner to watch the video.